The other tabs are for our elective teachers. And at my site, the elective teachers, we are on a modified block. So they actually have two homeroom rosters or two first block rosters because we have A Day and B Day. So I've just copied the same formulas from the homeroom rosters from the teacher tabs. And so we have their A Day and their B Day students. So when they're showing the students on A Day where to go, they would show this list. And then on B Day, they would just scroll over and show this list. Again, you would need to edit cell B1 to be the teacher's name or subject if it's an elective and the room number. And then copy and paste their student data, their rosters for A and B. And then these formulas will automatically, they'll stay, so they'll automatically update as you change the students' names. The other portion is the enrichment rosters because these teachers will need to know who is coming to them. And so the way I have it set up is I have a different tab for art for each grade level. Now, I don't have the homeroom on each grade level because they only have sixth grade at my site. So I don't need their homeroom rosters on each tab. But I do have formulas that will pull students based on when the sixth graders have art as their enrichment. So no sixth graders have art in the first 12 weeks. So let me find somebody that does. I think Current Events does. So that's their homerooms, their homeroom lists. And then here's this person's enrichment roster. So this student gets to come to their enrichment for computer every day. So that computer teacher will know that this student will be in there every day. This student, however, on Wednesday got pulled for a small group work with teacher M in room 113. So the computer teacher will know on Wednesday not to look for student 307. And if student 307 shows up, they would send them to room 113. I have these tabs hidden. So all of these tabs for sessions taught by elective teachers, so like art, band, those enrichments taught by elective teachers, I keep these tabs hidden at all times. And there's actually another spreadsheet where I've combined all of these data tables so that the elective teachers don't need to open any of these spreadsheets because they don't pull students to their room. They're just default assigned students. So they don't have any control over who they get. But that way it's not opening 3 different grade levels and changing where they look throughout the year. It's just all put into one. So let me show you what that looks like. Okay, so this is the example for the enrichments that are run by the elective teachers. So we have the robotics teacher. He has his A and B day elective. So he's got his homeroom rosters. So this is where he would actually look. And if you look, it's coming from that other spreadsheet. Then we have his sixth grade enrichment rosters. So this is where he would see that student 123 will not be there Monday with him, but will be there on Tuesday and Friday. So this is how he can take attendance and make sure that everybody's in the right place. Then these will be his 7th and 8th grade rosters when he has 7th and 8th graders. So in the first 12 weeks, he's going to have 6th graders, and these names will automatically update because it's just a copy from the other spreadsheet. So I let them they only access these tabs. They don't look at their tabs on the grade level sheets or spreadsheets. I keep those hidden at all times.